Welcome to Norfolk Cars, where we've just acquired this lovely 2017 67 plate Mini Countryman Cooper diesel. So it's a 2-litre turbocharged diesel engine, and you can see it's finished in the gorgeous metallic British racing green. This model's got the chili pack, so that gives it a whole host of features. These include the LED daytime running lights with cornering function. This model's got the front and rear parking sensors. It's got the 17-inch alloy wheels. These are part of the chili pack. It's the channel spoke design. Inside it's got the optional piano black interior trim, electric windows all round, and it's got the optional power fold wing mirrors with the automatic anti-dazzle function. Auto lights and wipers are part of the specification, and you get the 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel with telephone, audio controls, cruise control and speed limiter. The car's covered just over 60,000 miles. It's got the satellite navigation, and it's got the reversing camera with park assist. Chili pack models all come with dual zone climate control and heated seats. This one's also got the heated front screen. It's got the sporting green driving modes, 6-speed manual gearbox, controller for the media, front center armrest, and the chili pack models have the half leather sports seats. These are both height adjustable, the driver's and the passenger seat. You can see in the rear of the car it's in great condition. It's got the mini carpet mats fitted all round. It's got the Isofix points in the back. And this one's got the optional sliding rear bench seat. As you can see, the rear seats slide forward or backward. Alloy wheels are all in fantastic condition, no scuffs or scrapes, and the same goes for the rear bumper. With the chili pack you get the load floor storage compartment, and this one's also got the optional spare wheel. So it's a space saver wheel in there. It's got the original parcel shelf, and it's also got the optional rear mounted bike rack preparation. So it's got like a tow hitch underneath where you can fit, it's just mounted under here, where you can fit a bike rack. That's all factory specification. Tyres on the car all good. There's a pair on 6mm, a pair on 5mm, so plenty of life remaining. This car's got a superb service history. It's got a full Mini service history, and it is just one private owner from new. And you can see in here the piano black interior trim. It's got the comfort access, so keyless entry and keyless start. And it comes with an MOT that runs through until January 2027 with no advisories. It's got the black roof and mirror caps. If you click on the link above, you can visit our website where you can create your own finance quote and apply online today. So here you can see all the documented Mini service visits. They're 2-year intervals. So that was the last service that was carried out by Mini. So that means the next brake fluid service is due November 26. The next engine oil service is due November 26 or 9,000 miles. And the next vehicle check service is due November 28 or 25,000 miles. And it comes with a full book pack. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for latest stock updates or visit our website for further information on this vehicle.